Hello students, now let us see the preparation of haloalkanes. Okay, some important methods of preparation of haloalkanes. So when you are trying to learn the preparation of haloalkanes, generally they are prepared from the alcohols, students. Okay, so alcohols are really a good reagent for the preparation of the haloalkanes. For example, if you are treating the haloalkanes with the ZnCl2, anhydrous ZnCl2 and concentrated HCl, so it will give the haloalkanes. Okay, alcohol, if you are treating with the ZnCl2 plus HCl, it will give the RCl. Okay, and this ZnCl2 plus HCl, ZnCl2 plus HCl, this is known as, student, that is known as Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. What is use of this Lucas reagent? It gives the differentiate between 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohols. That is, if instant reaction is there, it means it is 3 degree alcohol. Takes 2 to 5 minutes, that is 2 degree, and react on heating, that is 1 degree alcohols. Okay. Now next one is there. If you are treating, that is alcohol with the PCl5, it will also give the RCl. And if you are taking the treating with the alcohol with the SOCl2, it will give thionyl chloride, which will also give the RCl. This is the Dargen process. This reaction is known as Dargen process, and base for 1 degree alcohol, best method for the alkyl chloride, best method. Why it is base method? Because the side product is SO2 plus SO2 plus HCl. These both are the volatile in nature, they will be kept out. So in the, it will be able, you will be able to get the pure haloalkane RCl. And then PBr3, you will be able to get the RBr also. So these were the method for the preparation of haloalkane from the alcohols. Next method, when you are going to understand, student, from alkene. So when symmetrical alkene you are treating with HX, it will give the CH3CH2X, and if it is the unsymmetrical alkene, it will give the Markovnikov product. And in the presence of organic peroxide, if you are taking, it will be the Kharas effect or anti-Markovnikov rule. 1 bromopropane will come, and here in the case of 2 bromopropane will come. Now when you are taking, that is Br2, if you are taking treating with the Br2 with the symmetrical alkene, it will give the meso product. Okay, and it also give the racemic product. If you are taking trans one, so it will be able, you will be able to get the meso. But if you are taking the cis one, cis means that is both see that is, here is one side CH3 and H, here is also CH3 or H. So similar group or same side. So cis you are taking, so you will be able to get the racemic mixture. Racemic mixture means 50% D form and 50% L form. Okay, next one is the addition of Br2 is always anti-addition. Always anti-addition means it follow the anti-Markovnikov rule. Next one is from the silver salt. From silver salt, that is first reaction is Hans-Diker reaction. So in this one, silver salt is treated with the Br2. It will give RBr plus CO2 plus AgX. This reaction follows the free radical mechanism and used for the preparation of alkyl bromide. Okay. Next one is from alkyl, for alkyl chloride yield is less. Okay, for alkyl chloride yield is less. Then again, that is again there is silver salt of silver salt of acid is there. If you are treating with I2, it will give RCOOR plus AgI plus CO2. This reaction is known as Beer-Simony reaction. Beer-Simony reaction. So next method you can see, student, what is there. This much of the only method of preparation, student. Now the chemical properties. Okay. The alkyl halides are extremely important important reagent, because they undergo the large variety of reaction that makes them valuable in organic synthesis. This arises from the fact that the halides ion is a weak basis and is readily displaced by stronger bases. The order of ease of replacement in the group is not fixed. It depends on the nature of the R group and the condition for the solvent. However, it appears that in general the order is I will be more reactive than Br, then Cl, then F. This is the order of replacement. Next one, the order of nucleophilicity of nucleophilic reactivity in the is also dependent on the nature of the solvent, and in general it follow the I minus, Br minus, Cl minus and F minus. Now you see that is two type of reaction are there, student. One is SN1 reaction and another is SN2. So firstly we are going to understand the SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction means if you are taking 3 degree, this is the 2 degree or 3 degree, if you are taking, student, 3 degree alkyl halide, so you will be able to get that is 2 degree or 3 degree alcohol. Okay, so this is when you are treating with 3 degree or 2 degree alkyl halide with the base, it will give the alcohols. Okay, next one, when you are following this one, student, so what you will be able to get, that is SN1 reaction follows the two-step process. So in the first step it is carbocation is being formed, student. Here you can see this one is the carbocation, and in second step that is base is attacking, so it is you are getting 2 degree. The rate determining step is the formation of carbocation, which may rearrange to produce a more stable product. Next one is their mechanism in the SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction is always following the 1 degree alkyl halide. So 1 degree alkyl halide, it will be able to get that is 1 degree alcohols, 1 degree alcohols, right, student. Now next one is the chemical properties. If you are seeing, student, example of SN1 and SN2. So if RX is there, if you are treating RX with the KOH, it will be able to get ROH. If you are treating with KSH, it will get RSH. NaOCH3 ROCH3, Williamson ether synthesis. NaSR RSR. AgOCOR RCOOR ester, and NaC triple bond CH RC triple bond CH, NH3 RNH2 RNH R2NH R3NH. You will get RCN. If you are treating with RCN, KCN, so you will get RCN. If you are treating with the sodium with ether, that is alkane. NaI, it will give Ri. With magnesium, it will give the Grignard reagent. With AgCN RNC. With KONO, it will give the RONO, AgNO2, RNO2, alcoholic KOH alkenes, dry Ag2O ROR, and NiH2RH. To lithium, you are treating diether RLi, and that is if anhydrous Cl3 you are taking with benzene, you will get that is toluene, and alcoholic AgNO3, it will be able to get the AgX. So these are the chemical properties and method of preparation of the haloalkanes. Thank you so much for watching, friends.